Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best precision screwdriver set that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Lifego Precision Screwdriver Set. To really leave your options open, Lifego's extensive screwdriver set features 170 pieces, so you'll never be left hanging in the middle of a job, whether you lean heavily on slotted or Phillips heads. All the bits come in a canvas case, which is essential when you need to keep that many small parts organized. I bought this to be able to get a specific precision size metric driver bit, wrote one reviewer. This kit is outstanding. Every possible microbit and quarter-inch security bit you could ever want. Nice additional accessories for opening cases. Moving on, at number 4, we have the XOOL Precision Screwdriver Set. If the idea of having a plethora of different precision tools in one small case seems a bit too cluttered for your liking, opt for XOOL's Precision Screwdriver Kit, which neatly features 62 heads that can attach to one comfortable handle. Made of strong, S2 steel, which is far hardier and impact-resistant than other alloys, these heads work for any repairs, whether it's an iPhone fix or a loose screw in your glasses. S2 steel is supposed to be much better than CRV, which is what just about all the other sets out there are made of, explained one reviewer. I didn't know an S2 set would be this affordable, but they sure look like they are machined more precise and tougher steel. At number 3, we have the Kaisi Precision Screwdriver Set. Losing an ultra-tiny screw in your glasses or needing to find a way to crack into the back of your watch to replace a battery can be a total pain if you don't have the right tools, but Kaisi's compact set of precision screws will keep you well equipped for these sorts of tasks. The end caps spin and the heads themselves are constructed of black oxide, which means they'll glide with ease and resist rust over time. They also feature smaller sizes that aren't available in most other sets, such as the tiny 1mm and 1.2mm versions. Great value, and both the flat and Phillips heads got the job done in minutes, wrote one buyer. I used them to fix eyeglasses with really tiny screws. At number 2, we have the VMAN Precision Screwdriver Set. A regular set of screwdrivers aren't quite cut out for mini jobs, especially when it comes to things like phones and other portable electronics. VMAN's precision set comes with 63 different heads that fit onto one slick handle, and the head has a strong magnet built in so you're not losing bits left and right. Very well made case and quality bits, wrote one reviewer. Love the fact that the bits are held in the case with a magnet. The bits fit nicely into the fasteners, so there's no rounding out of the screw head. While they're made of high-quality crossing V metal, anyone with limited mobility or arthritis may find the lack of ergonomic grips a little difficult to work with. And finally, at number 1, we have the Kaisi Precision Screwdriver Set. If you need a precision screwdriver kit that goes beyond the basics, Kaisi's set is fit for professionals and comes organized and ready to go in a protective magnetic case. Game bit, conical needle, Phillips, flat, square, and pentalobe are just a small sampling of the 111 different bits you'll be provided with in this kit. The case even has a magnetizer and demagnetizer to help you quickly and successfully attach and remove different heads. Not only that, but some buyers noticed how compliant this kit is with other tools. I love that there is an adapter to enable larger-sized handles, wrote one customer. I have a hard time using the skinny handles and turning with strength. The adapter allows me to use the tiny bits on a regular size drill or standard handle, which equates to more torque when needed. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.